In today's retail environment, efficiency and accuracy are critical, and barcode scanning has become an essential tool for speeding transactions. With the addition of barcode scanning capabilities to Shopify POS, shops can process transactions quickly and correctly, improving the customer experience and maximizing operational efficiency. In this video, we will examine the significance and benefits of barcode scanning within the Shopify POS system, emphasizing how it simplifies product identification, improves inventory management, and facilitates seamless transactions, ultimately empowering retailers to thrive in today's competitive retail landscape. Streamlining product identification. Barcode scanning within Shopify POS provides retailers with a faster manner of product identification. Retailers can access extensive product information from their Shopify inventory by simply scanning the barcode on each product. This removes the need for manual data entry and reduces the possibility of human error, assuring correct product identification during transactions. With barcode scanning, businesses can quickly and precisely add products to the transaction, reducing disparities and pricing errors. Furthermore, barcode scanning allows businesses to easily handle complicated product assortments. Products with variations in size, color, or configuration can be easily identified by scanning the unique barcode linked with each variety. This ensures correct inventory management, pricing, and monitoring, even for items with minor changes. Better inventory management. Barcode scanning in Shopify POS is critical to streamlining inventory management procedures. Retailers may easily adjust inventory levels in their Shopify inventory system by scanning barcodes during stock intake. Real-time inventory tracking provides shops with accurate and up-to-date stock information. Retailers can use barcode scanning to do stock checks, monitor product movements, and streamline restocking procedures. This eliminates the possibility of stockouts or overstock situations, improving inventory turnover and decreasing revenue loss. Stock taking and reconciliation are also made easier using barcode scanning. Retailers can conduct inventory audits by scanning product barcodes and comparing physical counts with recorded numbers in Shopify's inventory system. Any anomalies can be discovered and resolved quickly, ensuring inventory accuracy and reducing manual inventory management expenses. Quick and accurate transaction. By implementing barcode scanning into Shopify POS, companies can process transactions more quickly and correctly, improving the overall customer experience. Scanning barcodes causes the automatic retrieval of product details, including pricing, from Shopify's database, avoiding manual entry and lowering the chance of errors. Cashiers may efficiently handle transactions using barcode scanning, lowering wait times and enhancing operational efficiency. This helps merchants to handle increased transaction volumes during peak periods, providing smooth and seamless consumer interactions. Barcode scanning also enables shops to accept multiple payment methods at the same time. Scanned barcodes trigger the right item pricing, allowing for precise total computations for cash, credit card, or mobile payment transactions. Manual computations and potential errors are eliminated, allowing for quick and error-free transaction processing. Integration and scalability. The ability to scan barcodes can be smoothly incorporated into the Shopify POS system, making it a strong tool for shops of all sizes and sectors. Retailers can use current hardware, such as barcode scanners or mobile devices with built-in cameras, to set up their Shopify POS software to recognize and analyze barcode data. The scalability of barcode scanning in Shopify POS allows retailers to adapt as their business grows. Whether they run a small boutique or a large-scale retail company, barcode scanning can be used efficiently to ease product identification, streamline transactions, and improve the overall consumer experience.